Are you sick of manually logging your Shopify orders onto Google Sheets? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Shopify to Google Sheets on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Shopify, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If you click on the Account tab, a link will pop up for you to connect your Zapier account with your Shopify store. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so log into your Google account just like you did with your Shopify account and then click Continue. From there, we can start to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Shopify account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new order is created in Shopify, the data will automatically be uploaded into our Google spreadsheet row. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Shopify and Google Sheets aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.